Hello guys, today I'm going to show you what's inside of the Halo board battery. These are the specifications on the battery. They say it's 36 volts, 6.6 amperes hour. So let's see what's inside. The reason I'm opening it is because for some reason when I hit some potholes it just stops, and then if I hit the scooter again it's working again. Sorry, I said scooter, skateboard. So I do believe somewhere it's a loose connection. So I already cut open this, so I have it ready. So this is the wrap, the shrinkable wrap, and let's see. Let's see. Okay, let's remove all of this. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, so we have the battery cells. Seems like we have 30 battery cells. This is the model of the batteries, and here seems like we have the BMS. From what I see, they had done a pretty good job trying to protect this battery and secure it. And let me open that like that, and I will see here they just put this foam so it doesn't move. Okay, and here you have the BMS with all the connections, and you have the B minus here, you have the P minus, C minus, all the connections. C minus comes from the charger, the black wire here. The P minus comes actually from where you connect your black wire to your ESC. Let me show you that. So the ESC is here, and the black wire will get connected to this female connector. So that's the P minus right there, and the B minus, it comes from here, from the corner of the battery. So it's the minus of the battery. So let me try to flip it over and see if we can see more. And also this wire in BMS, I assume it's the temperature sensor. And of course we have the connector here. Okay, so this is the other side of the battery. I did by myself everything. I didn't want to show to the camera because I will just get too bored. So again, the back of the BMS, and it seems like the sensor. So the sensor that I said earlier from the BMS seems like it's right here in between this foam. Probably when the temperature is too high, we'll just shut off the battery. So it's all. Now I will just need to see where it's a loose connection. So this was a Halo board battery. Thank you very much for watching.